Well, hello and welcome back to math class. You will notice I do not have our math book in front of us. I have a little Google form or doc that I'm going to have you fill in about reducing or simplifying ratios. This is going to be good practice for us because eventually we're going to get to fractions that we're going to want to reduce and simplify. I'm going to make this video short. As you can see, I have a different camera and it's not exactly the clearest, so I don't want to make this real long. In order to solve these problems, you're going to look at the ratios and you're going to simplify them. For me, it's going to be easier if I do that on a scrap piece of paper because the Google Doc I can't write on. So I would probably write my ratio like this, and I'd start thinking about the factors. Now, if you don't know your factors, you're probably going to need to pull out a factor sheet. I can tell you that there are lots of factor lists like this on the internet. You just need to search them up and they will list all the factors. Well, I already circled for you 15 and 24, and I know it's hard to read, so that's why I did it for you. And I found out that the 3 is the largest factor that goes into both of them. So you have one of two ways that you can do that. You can either do this where we went from first number to first number and second number to second number. We already said that the largest factor is a 3. So I can either say something times 3 is 15, or I can go the opposite direction and say 15 divided by 3 is what? 15 divided by 3 is 5, because I know 5 times 3 is 15. 24 divided by 3 is 8. To check myself, 8 times 3 is 24. So I'm going to have a simplified or reduced ratio of 5 to 8. Now, if you're listening, I said there's two ways that you can do that. Some of us like to change it to a fraction like this. We find the common factor again, it's still 3. And we say 15 divided by 3 is 5. And 24 divided by 3 is 8. We still get the same answer whichever way we prefer to do that. Now, once you've solved the problem on your scrap paper, you will notice this is the letter E, and we found out that the answer is 5 to 8, which means I have to come down here, and I'm going to slide this up because I know it's kind of hard to see, and I have to find where it says 5 to 8. So let's look where we can see 5 to 8. Oh, here's 8 to 5. Is that? Oh, no, that's not it. The 5 has to come first. So that means we had to pick this one up here. Order matters when dealing with ratios. Once again, remember the letters E. And so on your Google form, when you find that 5 to 8, all you do is type in the letter E. There is a little code here that you're trying to find the answer to a riddle. And the riddle is that you're trying to solve is, what did the bad chicken do? Okay, so fill in this Google form. Then for the rest of your math class, I'd like for you to go ahead and work on your focus skills. Enjoy your e-learning day.